we've told the candidates that there is no money involved. We only want somebody who will be able to serve the people of Kalangala. We don't ask for any single coin. Our exercise is free, and whoever comes to get a ticket here is only ready to serve the people of Kalangala. We don't ask for any single coin. The only money maybe they can incur is for photocopying these documents that they bring to us here, but we don't ask for any single money.
Biri zokka tezitumalirako ddala ebizinga ebirala tebirinaako wadde balina kubuteeka mu kaato atambule agende ku bizinga ebirala. Kati byebyo ebizibu byenjagala okutwala mu palamenti nze ng'omubaka omukyala nsobole okulwanirira abakyala n'abantu bonna abalina obuzibu obwefaananizaako ng'obwo. Tulina era obuzibu obw'abalimi. Abalimi naddala katufe tulinayo ebinazi. Tulinayo ebinazi mu bizinga balima ebinazi. Naye obuzibu obusangibwa mu binazi ebyo babijjako omusolo mungi ku bigimusa. Babijjako kugamba ne bamaliriza nga obugoba obutono bwe bandibadde bafunako ate nga tebafunirako kumpi ddala. Amaanyi gaabwe ne gafa tobuge. Bye amaloboozi genjagala okutuusaayo nze ng'omubaka omukyalo wa Kalangala District. Tusobole okujjayo ekintu kyaffe naffe tusobole okwebeezaawo okufaananako nga bannaffe abalala.
If we so start planning for Kalangala, from Kalangala, by the influencers of Kalangala, by the community leaders of Kalangala, I think we can have some better results. The problem of Kalangala, if you plan for Kalangala from Kampala, you may not know what we really need. You may not know our history. You may not know our previous challenges. You may not know where we failed. Kalangala is a district surrounded by water. Very many programs fail because of the heavy waves. They bring rich programs from Kampala, from everywhere of the world. They bring them to us and just fail at the harbor. People fail to go to the rest of the waters because of the heavy waves. But if the implementers are real from Kalangala, I think we can have a better Kalangala.
I'm going to make sure I create a skilling center, because the Sasa Ground had given that land to our late Honorable Hellen Nakimuli. May her soul rest in eternal peace. So I will use that opportunity to create a skilling center to help our young women that are dropping out of school because of early pregnancies and so on, even our mothers that do not have jobs, so that they get those skills. I'll make sure I fight for our fishing industry, because now our fishermen are home, the fishmongers do not have what to eat, our pupils are seated home because they do not have school fees.